Good morning, everyone. May I introduce myself to you? My name is Shraddha Tiwari. How are you all? I hope all of you will be good. Today, we are going to discuss very interesting topic which we call probability. Probability is one of the most important tool in mathematics, and the knowledge of probability helps in various tasks of our life. Probability, perhaps the most practical used field in mathematics. Subconsciously, we used probability in our day-to-day life. All the to solve and to make better decision in our life. For instance, consider the decision to carry two raincoats or umbrellas when you going to school in the morning. Now, don't do that every day. We bring umbrella if we use very windy or cloudy. Let's us consider the one scenario. While going on the walk in the morning or going to school, we always considered our past experience with the traffic control. So, suppose I want to walk and I have route A and B. Now, I generally take route A because route A is smaller than route B. But it may past experience traffic tells me if I leave my house after 9 o'clock in the morning, I generally feel a lot of traffic on route A, and if in that case, if I take route B, I end up getting to the office earlier. So, now whenever I leaving my home, I will consider piece of information and I will think that if I living at 9 o'clock in the morning, I try prefer going to route B so as to avoid some possible traffic that might on be my route A. So these are just two cases out of the multiple different cases that happen in our daily life. Every day, our life where subconsciously the theory of probability helps us make a better decision. Probability is a word useful to mention a doubtful activity. It shows chances. In everyday life, we come across statements such as it will probably rain today. I doubt that he will pass the test. Most probably, Pratika will stand first in the annual examination. Chances are high that the prices of diesel may grow up. There is a 50-50 chances of India winning a toss in today's match. The word probably, doubt, most probably, chances used in statement above involve an element of uncertainty. In first example, probably rain means it may rain or may not rain today. We are predicting rain today based on our past experience. When it rains under similar condition, similarly, in second example, he may pass the test or may fail. In third case, Kritika may stand first in exam or may not. In fourth case, price of diesel may grow up or may remain as it is. In fifth case, India may win a toss in today's match or may not win. Students, just have a look over example of probability from everyday life. Also, you can take an example of dice. A dice have overall 6 faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Numbers are marked on each face. After throwing a dice, 6 chances of outcome occurs. This given 6 different results. These are the example of probability. Though probability started with gambling, it has been used extensively in the field of physical science, commerce, biological science, medical science, weather forecasting, etc. Probability is defined as the likelihood of something occurring. In mathematically, probability is defined as the numerical method of measuring uncertainty involved in a situation. In this video, we learned about probability. In the next video, we will learn about the term in probability. Thank you, students.